Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Being Biotechnical. So the topic about which we are discussing in this series of video is structural basics of DNA and RNA. And this is the part 2 of this series of video. In the previous video, we already have discussed that both DNA and RNA are nucleic acids, and nucleic acid is the polymeric form of nucleotide. So, in order to know the structure of DNA and RNA, we first need to know the structure of nucleotide, which is the monomeric unit of nucleic acid. So, in the previous video of this series, I already have discussed diagrammatically about what is polymer and what is monomer. If you still have not seen that video, please check that out. In the previous video, we also discussed about two components of nucleotides. In this video, we would look at the third and last component of nucleotide and their arrangement. But before that, let me rewind the whole concept to you once more. So, DNA and RNA are both nucleic acids. We may also write it down this way that nucleic acid divided into two parts, DNA and RNA. This nucleic acid is composed of nucleotides. So, in order to know the structure of nucleic acid, we need to know the structure of nucleotides. So, nucleotides are again composed of three things: phosphoric acid, pentose sugar, and nitrogenous base. We already have discussed the structure of phosphoric acid and pentose sugar in the previous video. Now let's see what nitrogenous bases are. So nitrogenous base is again composed of two things, purine and pyrimidine. Purine, as we can see, again is divided into adenine and guanine. We can also say that adenine and guanine are both purine. Then comes pyrimidine. Pyrimidine is also divided into three parts: cytosine, thiamine, and uracil. We may also say that cytosine, thiamine, and uracil are pyrimidines. Now, let us look at their structures. This is the structure of adenine and guanine. So, for your better understanding, I have simplified their structures to you so that you never forget drawing their structures. The structure of purine, which is adenine and guanine, are almost similar. At first, we need to draw an English alphabet. Draw an alphabet M. So the M must look like this, an ugly M. Now, draw a W like this, joining the W with the M only at the beginning and not the middle or end. Done. Now join these two alphabets with I like this and this. Done. To the second structure, draw a tail like this, and at the top of this hill-like structure, draw another alphabet I to this structure and 2I to this structure. Okay? Now look carefully. Draw double bonds at these positions. Here, 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 and here. To the next structure, draw double bonds here, here, and here, because this is already a double bond. Now, write NH2, N, N, NH, N at these positions. Okay? And add O, NH, NH2, N, NH and N at these positions. Done? Now, the first structure which don't have tail is adenine, and the second structure which has a tail is guanine. So, purine is done. I hope you will not forget their structures, but you also need to practice drawing them because only practice can make you perfect. So, moving on to pyrimidine. Pyrimidine has thiamine, cytosine and uracil. And the structures of these three components are the easiest ones. So, follow me. Draw three houses like how we used to draw in standard 1, 2, like that. Like this, this and this. So done. Now draw V-like structure joining the walls of this house like this. This, and one more, this. Done. Now look carefully. NH, NH, NH. Done. Double bond O, double bond O, double bond O. Done. Now NH, N, NH. Done. Again double bond O, NH2, double bond O. Done. Now to the first structure attach CH3. Attach CH3 here like this. Remember, CH3 is joined to the structure from here with another bond. Now add double bond at these positions to the structure. Here, here, here and here. Done? So, the first structure is thymine. The second one is cytosine. And the third one is uracil. I hope you all got the structure of pyrimidines as well. So with this, we now know the structure of all the three components of nucleotide, which is we already have discussed the structure of phosphoric acid, pentose sugar and nitrogenous base. You please do practice drawing these structures by following the simplified ways of recalling them, as I explained, so that you would never forget their structures. With this, the part 2 of this series of video, which is structural basics of DNA and RNA, have ended. In part 3, we would discuss how these structures are arranged among themselves to form DNA and RNA. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, please do hit the like button, share this video with your friends and press the bell icon for further updates on my channel.